Chord tones in minor. Chord tones in minor mean that we're going to use the collection of notes that are part of the 1, the 4, and the 5/7 chord. If you're looking on this page, though, we're only using 1 and 5/7. The members of the 1 chord are written out for you here. La, do, mi, and a low mi. And so that's the choice you can use. So it says write several 4-note patterns in a minor, la, do, mi, mi, using the notes of the tonic chord, and that's the small 1 means the tonic chord in a minor. It says also include the low mi, so I'll start with a low mi. Mi, mi, la, la. Where did I get these notes? From here. Over here. I'll do it again. La, do, mi, 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 do, la, mi.
If you need anything from the shed,
Shh. Do, la, do, la. Now I'm going to write several 4-note patterns using the notes of the 5/7. Well, here they are. Si, ti, re, mi. Okay. Mi, mi, re, ti, si, and I need to put that sharp. Si, I don't need to put another one because I already have one. Ti, si, mi, re, si, mi, re, ti, re, ti. All right. Now it says to write a melody built on the following chord progression. So I have some ideas above. Those are 4-note patterns. It doesn't say they have to be 4-note patterns, but here I go. La, la, mi, do, re, ti, si, si, mi, do, la. There. And I've completed this page, chord tones in minor.